Gonna be a pretty stormy day here at the yacht show. These things. First day of the actual boat show, and it's raining. I actually changed my shirt, so I do have red and blue shirts, but I have like 1 or 2 blue shirts and like 6 red shirts. So I normally wear the red ones, so I'll be wearing that all week. But it's raining, and I just got back to my room. I had to get up really early, forgot my camera. It sucks. It's rainy. No good. But check it out. Now that's some true Florida rain. So I used to live in Florida. I lived in Florida for a year, 6 years ago. So if I know Florida, this will all be over in about an hour. So hopefully I can wait it out. There's no issues. It sucks. The rain's really kind of cramping my style right now. Like I said, day 2 of the boat show is actually the first day it opens. So this will unusually suck for the management team here, because this is the day they sell tickets and people show up and go through it and enjoy the festivities. Let's let it clear up, and then we'll get back to it. What did I tell you? Like 1 hour exactly to the show. We had an issue with the bikers going into the show too fast. Had to lock it down. Jimmy John. Boy, what's up? It's a little slow today. No, since it rained earlier. Hoping they do the water stuff earlier. We'll show you that. A little windy. Hey, the sun never sets on a badass. Look at that stud. So I went to this place called Camelot last night. I closed out my tab. I mean, I just checked there because why not? But I'm hoping it's in my pants pocket. Super frustrating and ridiculous. I have some backup cards, but my trusty Amex. All right, hunt for the credit card. Pins from last night. Wait, no, business card. All right, a little hot. I'm gonna try to call that place again. I didn't do anything else. I found it. It was in my pants. Well, people keep giving me business cards, but this business card is awesome. And the credit card. All right. All right, gonna take it easy tonight. Gonna hit me up some mellow mushroom. Side note, check this light out. It is awesome. To mellow mushroom. Before we go to mellow mushroom, I'm walking down the stairs and hear the echo. Seriously, this is the biggest stairwell I've ever been in. Crazy. Not a mellow mushroom. I'm gonna eat the crap out of this thing. More boat show tomorrow.